Hello Year 1, welcome to your science lesson. So at the moment we are talking about plants and how they grow. So I've got a little experiment that I would like you to do for me. Now I'm going to be using glasses, but it would be better if you had a little plastic container. So maybe like a yogurt pot or some food packaging, something like that. I didn't have any to hand, so I'm just going to use these glasses. It doesn't really matter what you put it in. You could put it in a Tupperware, anything. So we are going to do an experiment with something called conditions. So we know some of the things that plants need to be able to grow and live. But I want you to try putting the same plant under different conditions and see what effect it has. So, something that you're going to need is some seeds. Now, I'm going to be using some chia seeds because they're very small and they grow very, very quickly. You should see a result with these within a few days. Or you could use some sesame seeds. Have a look around your kitchen. I'm sure mum or dad has something you could use. I know a few of you have done this before with lentils. You just have to make sure that you soak them for a few days beforehand. Now, you can use soil. You could use cotton wool, but I'm just going to be using some toilet paper. And what I'm going to do is scrunch it up into a ball, put it in the bottom of both containers. Okay, and we're going to pour a little bit of water, not too much, a bit of water so that the paper is nice and wet. Okay, then we're going to sprinkle some of your seeds onto the paper. So at the moment, they're exactly the same, aren't they? Now, one of these glasses I would like you to put outside. So if you have a garden or a balcony, put it there. If you don't, then just make sure it's in the window so that it's getting sunshine on it. The other one, I would like you to put it in your fridge or your freezer so that it's dark and cold. And what I want you to do every day for the next week, when you wake up in the morning, I want you to go and check on them, and I want to see what's the difference. I want to see, is one growing quicker than the other? Is one just not growing? Is one growing really, really tall? So I want you to see what's the difference between these two plants that are under different conditions. Another thing that you could do, if you don't want to put it in the fridge or the freezer, you could get a piece of paper and cover it up like a present. So the temperature is now the same as the one that's outside, but it isn't getting direct sunlight. So will it grow and it will just be white? Will it not grow at all? Will it still grow the same? So I'd like you to have a go, okay? All right, you one, let me know how you get on. Bye.